Food packing helper jobs in Dubai 2023. Employment as a food packing assistant in Dubai is a golden opportunity for Pakistani laborers who wish to settle and work there. Dubai has always been appealing to Pakistani job seekers due to its expansive job market and employment advantages. Many of us want to settle in Dubai, but we are unable to find employment there because we do not know on which websites the legitimate jobs are posted, what the job requirements are, how to obtain a visa, etc. In this post, we have provided all information regarding food packaging jobs in Dubai, including employer links and contact information. Details of jobs. Country: Dubai. Minimum age: 21 years. Knowledge required: no experience required, yes/no. Deadline: April 25, 2023. Requirements: as this is an unskilled occupation, few qualifications are required. A secondary education is sufficient. Almost every company requires applicants to be at least 21 years old and no older than 38 years old. Many companies advertise no experience required openings for food packaging assistants, but some reputable international recruiting firms and local meat processing companies in the UAE require at least 1 year of experience for entry-level positions. Benefits: decent wages. Paid overtime. The company pays for medical insurance. Free food. Free accommodation. Reasonable work schedule, 8 hours a day for 26 days. Free visa sponsor. Flight as soon as the job is confirmed. Average salary. Indeed.com reports that the average monthly salary for a good packing helper is 2,717 Emirati dirhams,